We have seen how to analyze a single set of data using the calculator. We shall now do the same analysis using a spreadsheet program called Microsoft Excel. This program is a 2003 version, but the 2007 version is quite similar. Remember, we're looking at a set of data that were the incomes of people with bachelor degrees taken in March 2002. If we click on the first cell here, this cell is labeled A1, and I could put my title of the set of data as incomes, so on and so on, and then scroll down and start putting my numbers 1, 10, 25, 50. To speed up things, I've actually put this data in on sheet 2, which is another worksheet. If I click here, it's already in here. Okay. If I wanted to center the data, there's a little formatting procedure. Click on the column and click center here in the data center. And this cell, if I wanted the words to appear a little bit more, take up less space, I could increase the row size by coming down here. And then I could also click on left format here. And then also I could click on format cells and then wrap text. Okay, and so we have a little bit, looks a little bit better than it did before. Didn't take up so much row space. Okay, supposing I want to analyze this data. I click on FX, and here we could type a description of what we want, but make sure here we have statistical that is clicked. Under statistical, let's say I want to find the average of the set of data. Click on average, click OK, and now you have to highlight the cells. What you're taking the average of. I highlight these set of cells, click OK, and there's my average, 44.47. Similarly, if I want to find the standard deviation, right here I'm going to type average, or mean actually. If I want to find the standard deviation, I click on a cell, and then click FX, and scroll down now to standard deviation. We have to scroll down until we can find that standard deviation. Standard deviation is what we want, the sample. Standard deviation A is, you would do that if you're using that in a further calculation. Standard deviation P is the population standard deviation, which we wouldn't do because this is a sample. So standard deviation, STDEV, click on OK. Click on highlight the cells you want the standard deviation of. Click OK. And there's your standard deviation, 24.86. Similarly, click on another cell. Supposing I want to find the minimum value, which you actually can see in the set of data, but you could find it if it was a large set by clicking on FX, looking for minimum. OK. Highlight the set of data. OK. And the minimum is 4. If you want to find the first quartile of the set of data, Q1, again, click on FX, look for quartiles, and actually you click on OK, highlight the cells, and if you're on this cell here now, you can determine what quartile you want. If you click on this cell here, it says quart is a number, minimum value is 0. So we already have the minimum value. If I put 0 here, we see 4 is the minimum value. If I delete that 0 and put 1, we get the first quartile, okay, which is 30. Scroll back. Q3 is what? Q3 is the third quartile, 52.5. 2 would be the median, which is 35. And finally, the maximum value, we put 4 in here in this cell. The maximum value is 110. So we were looking for the first quartile, put 1 again, click OK. And so we can fill out the rest of the cell. Since we've just done this, median, Q3, and maximum. So here we have a basic analysis of our data, the mean standard deviation and the quartiles. In the next video, we will see how to plot this data using a histogram or even creating a box plot in Excel.